Hello superstars, you're welcome to La Prince World Academy. My name is Prince Ikilowe. In this short video, I'm going to analyze V15 Earth so you can learn from this example. All right, so this is a daily time frame. I want to analyze the market based on higher time frame perspective. All right, so let's get started. So if you look at this market here, market came here to test a zone. Market came here to test this particular zone and is on the way down. Is on its way down. So this is where we would have looked for the sell opportunity here. This is where you are supposed to look for the sell opportunity. So what we are going to be doing right now is to have our horizontal line here, that is the support line here, because of what this touches here. So we're going to keep the market here. So what we are doing is we are expecting the market to come down here and give us a nice double bottom pattern. All right, if the market gives us a nice double bottom pattern on this zone, we are going to look for buy opportunity. That is what we're going to do. But be mindful that sometimes the market will break out. You don't want to just buy because the market is on this zone. You don't want to buy because the market is on the zone. So how do you buy? How do you buy? You go to lower time frame, like 4 hours time frame. Now with this 4 hours time frame, you're going to be drawing your trend line, because this is of course another trend coming. So even if the market is on this particular zone, this is a zone, I expect the market to come down to this level to give us a kind of triple. This was a double bottom that took the market all the way to the upside. So if the market gets to that zone again, it may buy, but we will not rely on that zone, because sometimes it may give us it may take all of us, let's say buy here and then put a stop loss below here. Sometimes it may take your stop loss, maybe sell to this level before going to the upside. So how do you get how do you now avoid such kind of fake breakout and then trade with confidence? You want to make sure you're working with this trend line. This is a 4 hours trend line. Let this trend line be your guide. Even if the market gets to this point, you are not going to rush and buy. You want to make sure that the market breaks out of this trend line and retest. If it breaks out and retest, that is when you look for buy opportunity. But you don't want to buy just because the market is on here. When you're looking out for breakout and retest, you can use 15 minutes time frame to see the breakout happen and then retest. With that kind of retest happens, you will now be comfortable that okay, the market may likely to buy. So that's how you trade with higher time frame to see the direction of the market. The higher time frame is saying that we are on a downtrend. Of course, we're on a downtrend. The market is a downtrend, so you don't want to buy anyhow, but let the market get to this point and give us a rejection. If a rejection happens here, don't rush, still hold on. Let the market give you a breakout of this trend line and retest, and then you can take the buy maybe to this level or near the level until the main buy will happen when it breaks out of this particular trend line here, this one here, and retest. That's when the main buy will happen. But we may have a short buy if it breaks out of this small trend line and retest maybe after this place. So guys, I hope you understand what I've explained so far. Watch the other videos I have so many videos on how to trade professionally. Join the La Prince World Academy, where I have detailed explanation of this concept of trading without indicators. So guys, I'll see you next time. Use the link on the bio, create a Deriv account and start trading forex and volatility indices.